Hey guys, welcome back to Vlogging with Deej for the first time in like 8 months or something.
Hold up.
But today, we're gonna do something a little different.
But kind of the same.
Today, I'm gonna be having a boat building competition with Benny. Let's make some workspace here. That'll work. Who's that over there? What? Make your way through the messy garage. Oh gosh. What wood are we gonna use for this? We're gonna get this piece. Ooh, yes. Or this piece. That's what I got. I don't know how this is gonna work, but let's see if we can make a mini boat with this. In case I didn't mention it, these aren't actually boats that we're going to be riding on. They're just boats that we're going to float. Just eyeballing it. Amateur. Let's see here. Well, if we take the square root of 65 and then multiply it times the transversal.
One eternity later.
The jigsaw! You're a professional.
Oh yeah. This is not a tutorial. Cut twice, measure once. Oh, what the?
So far, it kind of looks like a pancake. This is what my boat looks like right now.
Okay, let's go test these bad boys out.
So what better place to test our boats than in the bathtub? But first, let's have a comparison between the two.
It goes down.
That's not really secured. It's FedEx. What do you expect? So as far as floatability goes,
Nope.
mine's the obvious winner. Look at that. It's like floating garbage.
This is really cringy. I hope this never becomes a video.
We're gonna do something a little different, but kind of the same. We're